With great pixels comes great image quality. So it's not surprising when PC gamers drool over monitors with 4K resolution. These monitors are not only big on the pixel count, but also on the display quality and design aesthetics. In today's video, we are going to showcase 5 of the best 4K 144Hz gaming monitors that you should check out before your next monitor upgrade.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the HP Omen X Imperium 65. A perfect console gaming monitor with versatile usability for both gaming and entertainment. This 65-inch gaming monitor has a resolution of 3840 by 2160 and comes supported with VESA certified display HDR 1000, so the content looks super sharp on this display. Along with that, it has DCI-P3 color space and professional grade color accuracy right out of the box. The display also comes with a 144Hz refresh rate and a response time of 4 milliseconds. Plus, it's got all the modern G-Sync features to eliminate screen tearing, flickering, ghosting, and stuttering to give you seamless gameplay. Additionally, its speakers have pulse-pounding sound so you can pick up on subtle footsteps and booming explosions without the need for an external subwoofer. Overall, the HP Omen X Imperium 65 is an excellent 4K 144Hz gaming monitor for them who prioritizes both console gaming and content watching. Next up at number 4, we have the Acer Predator XP273K from Acer. A 27-inch gaming monitor with a stunning frame design and lots of gaming-oriented features. This monitor boasts a splendid IPS panel with 4 milliseconds of native response rate for smooth and responsive gameplay. The color quality of this monitor also reigns supreme thanks to its DCI-P3 color gamut and HDR400 compatibility. With that being said, it has a refresh rate of 144Hz combined with NVIDIA G-Sync support. It eliminates all kinds of stutters and flickers for a much more responsive gaming experience. It also has a customizable stand that is ergonomically designed for tilt, swivel, and height adjustment. To connect it with your gaming platform of choice, you will get 2 HDMI ports, 2 DisplayPort, 1 USB 3.0 upstream, and 4 USB 3.0 downstream ports. If you are looking for an advanced 4K monitor for gaming, the Acer Predator XP273K can be worth the purchase. At number 3, we have the Aorus FV43U from Gigabyte, which can also be a good option for console gaming because of the faster refresh rate support. It has 10-bit color and display HDR 1000 support, so the game footage on the monitor will pop up and look more realistic as it has a deeper black and white color. This 43-inch monitor features a refresh rate of 144Hz with AMD FreeSync for a smooth gaming experience. Additionally, this monitor has a fairly low response rate of only 1 millisecond, which will make your gameplay experience quite enjoyable. Along with all the necessary ports, you will also get 2 HDMI 2.1 ports that support PS5 and Xbox Series X or S at 4K resolution. Brilliant display, powerful connections, and seamless adjustability make it easier to recommend this 4K gaming monitor to most console gamers. Coming up at number 2, the LG 27GN950B has the thinnest bezel we've seen to date, which makes it exceptional from the other gaming monitors. This 27-inch monitor has a nano IPS display panel with 4K resolution, which creates a perfect blend of detail that will mesmerize you with realistic image output. It combines a 144Hz refresh rate and a response time of 1 millisecond with AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and G-Sync compatibility for an unparalleled immersive gaming experience. You can also customize the monitor in seconds. The stand has a flexible ergonomic design to easily adapt to your environment and gaming style. If you are a gamer who is looking for a stylish 4K gaming monitor with a brilliant display, the LG 27GN950B is less likely to disappoint you. Finally, at number 1, we have the ROG Strix XG27UQ by ASUS, a gaming monitor that is most suitable for gamers who wants to ensure quality over everything else. Featuring a brilliant 27-inch 4K IPS display panel, it also offers HDR technology and 90% DCI-P3 professional color gamut, which ensures exceptional contrast and color performance. With the fastest 1 millisecond response time and 144Hz refresh rate with adaptive NVIDIA G-Sync, it delivers a seamless, tear-free gaming experience. Additionally, it supports display stream compression technology for transporting ultra-high-definition video streams across a single interface at high speed with no perceptible loss of visual quality. Another great thing about this monitor is that it provides ambient lighting that can be synchronized with other Aura-enabled components and peripherals. Overall, the ASUS ROG Strix XG27UQ is an outstanding monitor with ultra-fine display, vibrant color quality, and greater gaming performance, which might be the best option that you can get your hands on. So that was all about the top 5 best 4K 144Hz gaming monitors for 2021. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.